So I take care of sales and CRM here. So this is the fifth edition of Credai Property Show, and we are participating. We are glad to be part of this event. Till now, the response is very good. Here currently we have three projects on display: My Home Vihanga, My Home Bhuja, and My Home Avatar. So basically, right now behind what you see behind me is My Home Avatar. It's located at Pupalguda, and it's a 23-acre project with total 10 blocks and 2,780 apartments. So right now we have released phase 1, wherein we have 1390 flats, and 80% of the project is already sold out. The basic advantage of this project is 84% of the project area is open to sky, and we have total 11 badminton courts, 2 swimming pool each separate for men and women. Apart from that, you have 50,000 square feet of clubhouse with all the modern amenities in that. And then we come to a recently launched project, My Home Bhuja. My Home Bhuja is basically a signature project of My Home Group. So basically this project is spread across 18 acres, and here in total we are developing 13 blocks, and it's a completely ultra luxury project with a product mix of 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. 3 bedroom we have sizes ranging from 2595 square feet and goes up to 3430 square feet, and 4 bedroom we have a standard size of 4070 square feet, which also comes with a maid's room. So basically the advantage of My Home Bhuja is the location. Apart from that, the project itself is ultra luxury with all the modern amenities and facilities in that. We are giving a 5-star level clubhouse, which is of 78,000 square feet with all modern amenities. Apart from that, the elevation what you see is completely neoclassical. So it's one of its kind project, and it's one of the high-rise, tallest buildings in entire Hyderabad. Apart from that, the other project what we have on display is My Home Vihanga. My Home Vihanga is at Gachibowli, just behind Microsoft. It's now getting ready for the handover, and we are starting the delivery in December this year. So basically it's a 20-acre project with total 2,000 apartments, and there we have a product mix of 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom. 2 bedroom we have 2 different sizes, minimum being the 1115 square feet and largest being 1275 square feet. Apart from that, 3 bedroom we have 4 different variants, minimum being 1690 square feet and largest being 2160 square feet. So Vihanga is on the verge of delivery. So December we are starting the handover. Credai Expo, this is the 5th edition of Credai Expo, and we thank Credai giving us opportunity to participate in this show, and it's really a pleasure. And till now the footfalls are good. We have received some good positive inquiries. So I really congratulate Credai and appreciate the efforts taken. Overall arrangements are also quite good.